makeup on fleek, her hair on fleek, eyebrows on fleek, her nails on fleek, yeah, shawty on fleek. Oh yeah,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Texture Talk. So as you guys can see, showed you guys some new clip-ins, and it's from Better Length Clip-ins. This video is a little dramatic. I was crying. I wasn't crying, but like I'm salty. Before you start this video, you guys, go and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you guys can know exactly the moment I post the next video. But I didn't even set up my camera, my phone, lighting, nothing, because I really wanted to do this video for you guys, because you guys know how I feel about Better Length. So we're gonna try to open this pocket bag. It comes in Better Length hair for black woman. All cool. I wish I knew how to do that. Cardi B, teach me. It comes with direction, 5 clip-ins. The next one is a 1-4 clip-in. Third 4 clip-in, 1, 3 clip-ins. Another 3 clip-ins. I'm gonna twist my hair. So I'm gonna start with the 3-piece clip-in. I'm just gonna wet it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
It's only like 3 clip-ins, and you see how full it is though? I'm gonna use the 5-piece of the 5 clip ones.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
So these clip-ins are not blendable. If I had gel, maybe, but I don't have any gel. I don't know what I did, but I feel like it's blendable. Okay, this is the best it's gonna get, you guys, since I didn't wash the hair and my hair is not dry, but you can see the color difference and everything. That's how the back looks like. But yeah, that's the finished product, you guys. I'm sorry if this lighting is terrible. Like I said, I just came from work and I just wanted to shoot this video at you guys, and I got the wrong clip-ins. I'm really sad, and they did send me 10 clips. One just got messed up when I was taking it out, and I'm only using 9 clip-ins right now, and there's 1 left. And I'm gonna show you guys the process, how if I can even style this hair. Well, I better find a way to style this hair, because it was expensive. So yeah, I don't know how I made the mistake of ordering this texture, you guys. I'm actually really upset. Like I had high hope for this second set of clip-ins I'll purchase. But hopefully when I wash it, and so I guess when I'm styling my hair with these clip-ins, you guys, I'm not gonna use my hair like the first video. I don't know, I didn't post as much videos, but when I would do twist out in my other set, which was 4C 4B, I would also twist my hair with it to give it a natural look. I think I'm gonna use this by itself, and then I'm gonna blend in my top, which is gonna be such a struggle, you guys. But please stay tuned to see how I'm able to style this coily clip-ins that I didn't even want. Y'all, they sent me the wrong clip-ins, because I don't know, how did I make the mistake of ordering the wrong clip-in? Like the clip-in, this clip-in, like I had so much high hope. Like I'm really sad. So please turn my sadness into a smile by liking and turning that notification up. Subscribe for the next video. I'm so dramatic, but I like the final look, how it looks like brush out. And then but I like the way it looks like right now, you guys. I'm satisfied with it, but not too much. But oh well, what can we do? Not everything in life goes as planned, you know. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'm more happy in the next video, because like hopefully I can style this clip-in. That's gonna be a challenge. The 4B4C was like so easy for me to blend in with my hair, wasn't a challenge, but this one is definitely gonna be a challenge, and I'm up for the challenge. Aren't you guys up for the challenge? Let me know. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what videos you guys want to see with these curly clip-ins. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.